So Apple just announced its brand new M3 MacBook Pro, and it's a beautiful machine.
Oh, beautiful.
But here's the real question. If you're a brand new video editor looking to buy your first computer, should you buy it? Well, I actually think the answer is no. I don't think you should buy it. I think instead, you should get the M2 Mac Mini. Here's why I think you should get the M2 Mac Mini versus the M3 MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro's starting price is a whopping $1,600, while the Mac Mini's starting price is a fraction of that. Not on sale, it's $599. You can usually get it on sale at Best Buy, B&H, and even Amazon sometimes for $499. You're going to save a fraction of the cost going the Mac Mini route. And even when you add the monitor and keyboard and mouse all into that, dude, you're still coming out under $1,000 versus a $1,600 computer. And let's be honest with one another, right? The Mac Mini, right, will be a slightly less performance than the M3 MacBook Pro, right? Like the M3 MacBook Pro is going to run amazing. I can't knock its performance value. But if you're a brand new video editor who hasn't started earning money from your business yet, then that's not the right move for you to go and dump almost $2,000 into a laptop and peripherals. You need to start smaller and with a machine that will do the task right to help you start earning your first few $1,000s. And then as you build your client base, as you scale your business, upgrade over time. Always start smaller than you think you should because, right, you don't need the best tools in the business. You need the right tools in the business at the right price to get started as a brand new video editor. So is the M3 MacBook Pro beautiful and an amazing machine? Yes. Should seasoned video editors get it? I think so. I want to get one. I think it actually might be my next computer purchase, but if you're brand new in the video editing space, dude, just get an M2 Mac Mini. Like I promise you, like it can do everything that you want to do as a video editor for a fraction of the price and actually like save your money when investing into your business. Don't go crazy and buy some product that isn't actually, right, going to serve you in the long run, right? Like you could buy the M3 MacBook Pro and maybe not even do video editing 6 months from now. No, but if you're a brand new video editor, start small and then scale. Never buy the biggest and best thing right out the gate. Always buy the thing that you know will work at an affordable price. Hey, other than that, my name is Kraft. If you enjoyed this video, click that like and subscribe button. And as always, do me a favor and click right here so that you can keep learning.